Hello traders, this is Chris from EverTrader and welcome to our interview with one of our official traders, Mikki from Philippines. Hi Mikki, let me congratulate you on successfully passing the EverTrader evaluation and on getting funded by us.
Thank you, Chris. I appreciate it.
I am super happy to have you here today. And by the way, for those who might be watching us for the first time, EverTrader is a prop trading company. We are looking for trading talents who, upon passing the evaluation program, get to manage up to 200,000 EverTrader account. But before talking about strategy, profits, and so, Mikki, can you give us a little introduction about who are you and what do you do for a living?
Yes, hi. Hi, guys. My name is Mikki. I am a full-time retail trader in the FX market with 4 years of experience. I am specializing on trading gold, and I have created a strategy that has been backtested in a time frame of 15 years and is still profitable as of today. So it has been my bread and butter ever since.
Wow, that's really great. So, since when are you actually a full-time trader?
2019. I started to October of 2019.
Wow,
Yes.
that's really great. And can you please tell us what account size are you managing with EverTrader?
I'm actually managing the basic account, which is $10,000.
Okay, congrats for that. And have you had any profit splits for until now?
Yes, absolutely. I just had my first profit split. Uh, I think I received it September 1 or September 2. I'm not
Okay.
really sure, but I left a comment in I left a review in EverTrader's Trustpilot.
Okay, that's really great. And do you have anything to share with us regarding the payout process? Was everything smooth? The process was fast?
Yes, absolutely. It was fast, but the only I believe the timing of the timing of the cycle end is actually on weekends. That's why it didn't actually push through. So I have to wait for the weekdays for it in order for it to be transferred. But overall, it was a smooth transaction.
Okay. Thanks for sharing that. And now I would like to ask you regarding your trading journey. When you decided to trade, was it pure curiosity or there was someone who directed you to trading?
Well, to be honest with you, I started in the trading in this industry to year 2016. I first traded I first traded in the Philippine stock market for almost 2 years. Then I think quarter three or quarter four of 2018, my father introduced foreign exchange in my life. And I remember he said to me to study this market, as this market is the most volatile in the world, where it trades, where it trades, I think, over $5 trillion per day. And he said to me that this market would give me opportunity on a daily basis.
Wow,
That's it.
that's really great. So it's a family legacy here, and it's really nice to hear that. Now I would like to ask you, when you wanted more capital for trading and decided to go with a prop firm, why did you decided to choose EverTrader?
I actually found out about EverTrader through LinkedIn. I believe
Okay.
EverTrader's HR manager is seeking forex trader. So I actually applied on their page, and fortunately, I got shortlisted. So I'm really thankful to the bosses, Mr. Martin and Mr. Dominic, as they gave me this challenge for free, and all I had to do was perform.
That's really great. Congratulations
Yeah,
for being in this process. And I
thank
am
you.
really happy to hear about your success and hope you will continue make a lot of profits with EverTrader. Now I'd like to dive into the beginning of your trading journey. So, can you share with us how did you manage to learn to trade profitably? Like, have you taken any courses or are you a self-taught?
Well, I learned the basic of forex trading through the internet. I believe it's babypips.com.
Yeah.
It's actually a full course, but what makes it great is actually it's free. It's totally free. So after learning the basic, I just simply, you know, make some trial and error, uh,
For sure.
finding the right strategy that would fit my lifestyle, and of course, that is profitable.
Okay, that's really inspiring actually, because there are a lot of traders who think that you need a lot of money to learn to trade, but actually there are a lot of free resources from where you can learn a lot of valuable information.
Absolutely.
Um, Now, I would like to ask you regarding your successful trading style some questions regarding your favorite market session. So, do you trade the entire day, or you prefer to focus only, for example, on the US market or so?
Well, I have no preferred session. It actually depends if the opportunity is presentable in the current situation. So, for example, since 9 a.m. here in the Philippines, it's Tokyo session. So if I'm fully aware and I'm fully observant in the market, if there is an opportunity, I enter it. But I always assess the risk to reward ratio. I'm more focused on the risk rather than the reward. So that's how I make sure to have an edge over myself. That's it.
Okay, that's a pretty valuable information for traders who are watching us. And also regarding your style of trading, I would like to ask you. You previously mentioned you are trading only a single pair, actually only gold.
Yes.
Okay, and do you manage to achieve your profit targets by trading only one pair?
Yes, absolutely. Uh, Believe it or not, Chris, during my first year in trading FX, I'm actually trading the whole major pair and
Yeah,
some
I've been
minor
there.
currency pairs. Yes, and my father actually observed that, and he told me to just focus on one asset. Be a master of one instead of being a jack of all trades. That's what he told me. And so that's what I did.
Yeah, that's a really valuable lesson. And my trading journey was exactly as yours. I started to trade
Oh,
all the major pairs, and now I am actually as well trading only gold, because
yeah,
I learned that it's more profitable to master one pair rather than be focused on 100 pairs.
100% true.
Yeah. Regarding the strategy you are using, I would like to ask you, are you using mostly technical analysis to determine how to trade, or you look as well on fundamentals or news?
I am more of a technical trader. My strategy is data driven. It is actually a calibrated combination of Elliott wave and harmonic patterns.
Okay. So regarding this news in the market, for example, when
Mhm.
there are, I don't know, CPI or other important news, are you going
Inflation.
to trade, or you try to avoid that periods in your trading style?
Well, if my technical analysis is aligned with the fundamentals, I absolutely take that trade.
Okay. That's really great, and it's a pretty balanced approach. Also, regarding your trading style, I'd like to ask you: do you use a fixed risk to reward ratio in your trades?
Well, no. It actually depends on the opportunity. Sometimes the market gives me a 1:1, 1:2, 1:3 risk reward ratio. But it all depends on which side to choose, whether I'm going long or I'm going short. So it really depends. And what I'm actually doing is calculating the probabilities of that trade. Will it be a winner or will it be a loser?
Okay.
That's
Okay. Also, regarding risk management, I'd like to ask you, do you use a certain percentage of risk in your trades?
My risk is very flexible. I'm actually risking 0.2 to 2% per trade. But
Okay.
my fixed risk is always 0.5%.
Okay, that's really great. And how do you actually decide to set a risk in a trade? For example, when do you set 2% risk in a trade?
If all the technicals are saying that it is a buy or a sell, and the probability is above 85%, that's the only time I'm risking 1 to 2%.
Okay, that's really great. And now I think enough talking only about the strategy. Let's take a look a bit on your trading journal. So this is your first phase of the evaluation, and first of all, what I can see here is a pretty good win ratio, 89%. It's the dream for most of the traders. So congratulations for that.
Thank
Was
you.
it difficult for you to achieve this 10% profit target?
Well, I believe it's a combination of experience, proper psychology, and having the right strategy with proper risk management.
Regarding your most profitable trades, as our viewers can see, you are actually only trading gold, as you previously told us. And regarding the duration, I can see here that sometimes your trades are only intraday, but other times you let them run until a certain profit target.
Absolutely. But I am definitely a swing trader, but I can also day trade and scalp the market.
Okay, that's a really good approach because you actually have to be balanced in your approach in the markets. Regarding the losing trades, first of all, there are not much of them. There are only 4 losing trades, but I have a question here. Even though you have only a few losing trades, is there something changed in your psychology when you lose a trade? I don't know, you lose your confidence or so, or there is no problem for you when losing trades happen?
Well, I believe losing streaks, you mean losing streaks, right?
Yeah,
Losing streaks are common in trading. I believe they're part of the trading process.
sure.
So, well, I think it's about having the right approach to the market that keeps you unnerved or not nervous whenever your trade goes against you.
Yeah,
So
that's
it's really about having that experience and having the right strategy and simply trusting the process.
yeah, that's very very important to trust the process.
Yes.
Let's take a look a bit on the second phase. Okay, and here what I really like about your dashboard from the beginning is the fact that you stick to very good risk management here. So you are not running for a trade that is going to pass your challenge in one trade. And
Exactly.
I really appreciate that because consistency is not about just passing a challenge in one trade. Nothing much to say here because, as our viewer can see, there is a lot of discipline in your trading dashboard. So let's go back to our discussion. Now I'd like to discuss a bit about trading psychology because as you probably know, it's very important. And from your side, actually, I'd like to know, is psychology important for a successful trader?
I think trading psychology is just as crucial as the trading strategy. But trading psychology can't be learned by just reading books or listening to other successful traders. You have to experience it in
Yeah,
order for you to learn it.
yeah.
That's it.
That's really true. The experience is going to master psychology. Has anything changed regarding your approach on the funded account in comparison with the evaluation phase? For example, do you have more emotions now when you trade the funded account?
No emotions at all. I'm just simply sticking to my strategy and trusting the process.
All right, that's a very good point. And now I like to know along your trading journey, have you faced any obstacles regarding your trading psychology, like not being confident in your positions, fear of missing out, or revenge trading?
Well, maybe in my rookie years, I have those trading mistakes like lack of discipline, over trading, trading without a plan, and therefore risking more. And I believe most traders are actually doing the revenge trading. So
Yeah.
I actually experienced all of those mistakes. What what I did to overcome those mistakes is I have created a well-established strategy that's been back-tested. So I am that confident that with this strategy, and it is still profitable 15 years from now up to this day. So I won't even, unfazed by the circumstances if the trade goes against me. Because I know in the end I will win. Because I have the edge over my strategy.
All right. Thanks for sharing that. And now that we are going to the end of this interview, I have a question for you regarding the overall EverTrader experience. So more than the profits, of course, what did the participation in this program give you?
Well, to be honest with you, Chris, I am actually looking for someone who would fund my skills. And EverTrader gave me that opportunity. I actually had clients from Canada and Singapore before, but it didn't work out because the commission basis is structured in favor of the client. So that's it. We're history.
Yeah, okay. So now that you have proven that you are a profitable trader, what would you say to the aspiring traders, to those who wish to become profitable but they are only at the beginning of their trading journeys?
Well, to all aspiring traders who's watching this video right now, my main advice is to keep going. Don't stop. It's hard. It's not easy, but it's definitely worth it. So you just have to create a strategy, work on your strategy, be patient, master the art of discipline as it plays a major role in your everyday routine as a trader. That's it.
Okay, that's a really good feedback, and hope you will help our traders who are watching us with this feedback. Now I'd like to ask you, do you have any future plans regarding your trading journey? Like maybe you want to trade a bigger account, maybe fund a personal trading account, or how do you see your future as a trader?
Well, I really want to be part of EverTrader since I'm already in. So I will do my best to not lose the account. And I'm actually aiming for the maximum account of $1 million. And if my calculations were correct, given with my current account, $10,000, it would take me 7 to 8 years to reach to that level, given that I am consistently making 10% quarterly on a quarterly basis. But if I purchase a 200,000 account and still aim for that $1 million goal, $1 million goal, it would take me 3 to 4 years. Yes,
Okay. I wish you a lot of success in the next years because from your confidence, I can see and I can understand that you are going for sure to achieve your goals.
thank you. I hope
Um,
so.
the last but not the least, I'd like to know, would you recommend EverTrader to other traders?
Absolutely. EverTrader is a reliable company. As the three things I like about this company is first, it's its simplicity. You just have to choose what account type, what account size you would want to trade with EverTrader. You just have to follow the rules to be able to keep on trading with them. Then second is their broker. Purple trading is regulated under SISEC. So it gives you Number three, reliability and legitimacy. So with EverTrader, you are sure that they are not going to scam you. That's it.
Okay, thank you very much for sharing this feedback. It's very important for traders to know this information about the broker we use. So
Yes.
overall, with purple trading, have you faced any maybe slippages or spreads that you didn't like?
Well, I'm actually trading two accounts right now, one with EverTrader and one with my personal account. I'm under IC markets, so I've been comparing the two brokers lately, and there seemed to be no difference at all.
All right, thank you for sharing that. And overall, it was a pleasure to talk with you. Congrats again for your achievement, and hope I will continue hearing only great things about your trading journey in the future.
Thank you, Chris. Pleasure to meet you too.